Welcome to the House Doctor. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of a closet I just finished remodeling. Unlike the videos you may have seen with Sandra Powell or Home with Stephanie, there's no woodworking involved in this project. I was able to put all of this up with just a few simple hand tools. Let me show you around. Before you start a project like this, you obviously want to take the time to declutter, get rid of some of the stuff you're not going to wear. And when you're all finished, maybe you'll even have room to keep a hold of something that you're never going to wear again, but you just can't throw away. Some of the modules that we chose to put in our closet were drawers, and it's great for your favorite shirts or whatever else you want to put in there. The company we partnered with on this project, Wood Closet Designs, has lots of options for different modules. For instance, this corner module with all the shelves is what we decided on, but they also have a unit that has a turnstile in it if you want to be able to rotate and spin your shoes around with the seasons. Whatever you decide to do, they have plenty of options for you. If you've just started shopping for closet organization ideas, you may not be aware of all the options that are available to you. Here's just a few of the ones that we chose. Tie rack, easy access, easy storage. There's also an accessory where you can hang your scarves and store them out of the way. Belt rack, anyone? This valet rod comes in really handy if I want to pick out something for Mrs. House Doctor to wear, and then she can come and put it away and pick out what she really wants to wear. The options are endless. A drawer with a jewelry tray might also be an option you want to consider. You can also get drawers big enough to put baskets in to store whatever kind of accessories you want, or anything else you want to put in there. Another great option for your closet is a cabinet. Put whatever you want in there and store it away. I've done a lot of home improvement projects over the years, and at first I wasn't real excited about this, but I was kind of talked into it. It's already made things much easier. You can find whatever it is you need to find. Everything has a spot, everything's organized. Doing a closet remodel is definitely a home improvement project that's worth it in the end. Thanks for watching.